Hello companions, welcome to the Sourdough Baking Seminar's testimonial video, where we will hear from the most recent graduates of the baking seminar, where they have discovered more than just how to bake the perfect loaf. They have discovered community, creativity, and a deeper connection to the age-old process of baking sourdough bread.
This is my first loaf of bread that I've ever made in my whole entire life. The class was very educational. I got everything I needed to know to go home and start making bread for my family right away. Super good information. They stayed on task. They stayed on time. There was humor and everyone in the group got along well. I will come back again. Thank you so much.
John, enjoyed your class. I'll be back for some others. It was most enjoyable. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Audrey Weger, and I have been doing eating John's bread for the last 2 years here at the American Legion, and it's been very delicious. And I have made sourdough bread for years. However, this is the first time I've made it this way, and he did an excellent job in showing us how to handle it and how to form it and how easy it is to make a loaf of bread compared to the old-fashioned way. I want to say John did a great job, and I encourage everyone to come and try his lessons. They're great.
We had an amazing time making our bread. Can't wait to do it again. Go on, Paula, your turn.
I just want to say it was fun, it was educational, and I can't wait to eat my loaf.
Okay.
Thanks guys, good job on the class, first time bread maker ever here, and I'll be back. Good job.
The class was totally awesome. Take it.
This has been a production of Breaducation. Until we are together again, let us give thanks for our daily bread.